Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on the minds of many aspiring online entrepreneurs: affiliate marketing. Specifically, we're going to break down how you can make $1,000 or more per month with affiliate marketing, even if you're just starting out. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get into it. Understanding affiliate marketing. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale or action made through your referral link. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Affiliate partner. This is the company or brand whose product you are promoting. 2. Affiliate link. A unique URL provided to you by the affiliate program, which tracks the sales you generate. 3. Commission. The amount you earn when someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. Think of it like a referral bonus you'd get if you recommended a friend to a store, but online and with potentially much higher earnings. 2. Choosing a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is critical to your success in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific area of interest or market segment that you'll focus on. Here's how to find a niche that's both profitable and enjoyable for you. Consider these factors when selecting your niche. 1. Passion and expertise. Pick a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's easier to create content when you're genuinely interested in the topic. 2. Market demand. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research tools to gauge the demand for products in your chosen niche. 3. Profitability. Look at the average commission rates and potential earnings for products within the niche. Higher priced items often yield higher commissions. 4. Competition analysis. While some competition is good, too much can make it hard to stand out. Find a balance where you can still make an impact. For instance, if you're into fitness, you might choose to focus on home workout equipment, supplements, or fitness programs. 3. Finding the right affiliate programs. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that align with it. Here's a detailed look at how to find and select the best affiliate programs for your needs. Here are some top affiliate programs and networks to consider. 1. Amazon Associates offers a vast range of products and is known for its reliability. Great for beginners due to its broad selection and easy integration. 2. ClickBank specializes in digital products and often has higher commission rates. Perfect for niches like online courses and ebooks. 3. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, features a wide variety of merchants across different industries. 4. ShareASale provides access to many different merchants and is known for its user-friendly interface. 5. Rakuten Marketing, known for its diverse range of products and strong reputation. When evaluating programs, consider the following. Commission structure. Does the program offer a flat fee, a percentage of sales, or recurring commissions? Cookie duration. How long does the affiliate link track the user for potential sales? Reputation and support. Look for programs with good reviews and responsive support teams. 4. Creating valuable content. Now that you're set up with affiliate programs, it's time to focus on content creation. High-quality content is key to driving traffic and making sales. Let's explore various content types and strategies. Here are some effective content formats. 1. Product reviews. Provide in-depth reviews of products you're promoting. Include pros, cons, and personal experiences. 2. How-to guides and tutorials. Create guides that solve problems or answer questions related to your niche. For example, how to choose the best home gym equipment. 3. Comparison posts. Compare different products or services. For instance, best budget smartphones of 2024 feet with affiliate links to each product. 4. Listicles. Compile lists of top products, such as top 10 must-have kitchen gadgets. Remember to include your affiliate links naturally within the content. Avoid overloading your content with links, as it can come off as spammy. 5. Driving traffic to your content. Creating great content is just the beginning. To make $1,000 plus per month, you need to drive traffic to your content. Here's how you can attract more visitors. Effective traffic generation strategies include: 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search engine results. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find keyword opportunities. 2. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms. Engage with followers and use paid ads if necessary to boost visibility. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters featuring your latest content and affiliate promotions. 4. Guest posting. Write guest posts for other blogs or websites in your niche to reach new audiences and drive traffic back to your site. Mix and match these strategies to see what works best for your audience and niche. Blank, underscore, blank. 6. Tracking and optimizing your performance. To ensure you're on track to make $1,000 plus per month, you need to track your performance and optimize your efforts. Let's go over how to do this effectively. Here are some tools and metrics to monitor. 1. Google Analytics. Track overall website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. 2. Affiliate dashboards. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards that show clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use these to understand what's performing well. 3. Link tracking tools. Tools like Bitly or Thirsty Affiliates can help you track individual link performance. Regularly review your data to identify which content and affiliate links are generating the most revenue. Use this information to refine your strategies and focus on what works. Blank, underscore, blank. 7. Building relationships and scaling up. As you grow, focus on building relationships with your audience and affiliate partners. This can greatly impact your success and help you scale your affiliate marketing efforts. Consider these approaches. 1. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, emails, and messages. Building a rapport with your audience helps in gaining trust and increasing conversions. 2. Network with other affiliates. Join affiliate marketing forums or groups to share insights and strategies with others in the field. 3. Expand your content. As you grow, consider expanding your content types or exploring new niches within your broader market. 4. Invest in tools and resources. Reinvest your earnings into better tools, higher quality content, or paid advertising to scale up your efforts. By building strong relationships and continuously scaling your efforts, you can grow your affiliate marketing income significantly. Blank, underscore, blank. 8. Advanced strategies and best practices. Host. For those who want to go beyond the basics, here are some advanced strategies and best practices to take your affiliate marketing to the next level. 1. A/B testing. Experiment with different headlines, call to actions, and content formats to see what converts best. 2. Create sales funnels. Develop a sales funnel that nurtures leads from initial interest to final purchase. This can include lead magnets, email sequences, and targeted offers. 3. Leverage video marketing. Create engaging video content, such as product reviews and tutorials, to capture and convert viewers. 4. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your content and affiliate links are mobile-friendly. With more people browsing on mobile devices, this can significantly impact your results. Implementing these advanced strategies can help you maximize your affiliate marketing earnings and stay ahead of the competition. Blank, underscore, blank. And there you have it. A comprehensive step-by-step guide to making $1,000 or more per month with affiliate marketing. It might seem like a lot at first, but with the right approach and dedication, you can achieve